Do you find yourself tirelessly pursuing women without any success? Have you ever wondered why your efforts to win her over only seem to push her further away? The dynamics of attraction have evolved, and the traditional approach of constantly pursuing a woman's affection may not be as effective as it once was. In this video, we will dissect the secrets that high-value men employ to effortlessly attract high-quality women into their lives. The power of presence. Contrary to modern advice, embracing your inner monster can be the key to developing an irresistible aura. High-value men exude a presence that hints at the potential for controlled chaos. Picture yourself as a powerful, yet calm and collected lion, someone who walks and talks as if they need no one but themselves. This powerful aura is magnetic to women, creating a sense of attraction that goes beyond the ordinary. The art of non-pursuit. Chasing after women can diminish your worth in their eyes. Constant pursuit signals a lack of abundance mindset, making you appear desperate. Instead of clinging to her constantly, take a step back and focus on your individual pursuits. You'll be surprised to find that creating some space can make her more intrigued and eager to chase you. Be the source of joy. High-value individuals share a common trait: they know how to create happiness. Unlike those who make someone else the sole source of their joy, be someone who finds contentment in various aspects of life. When you exude happiness independently, you become a magnet for women who want to share in that joy, rather than being burdened with the responsibility of filling an emotional void. The art of complimenting. While compliments are appreciated, bombarding her with generic praise can backfire. Instead of focusing solely on her looks, delve deeper. Compliment her determination, sense of humor, or overall vibe. Genuine compliments, dropped casually during conversation, can make a lasting impression, fostering a deeper connection. Showcase your values. In a world plagued by a lack of purpose, be a man of value. Invest time in personal growth and discipline, setting yourself apart from the masses. By showcasing your values and pursuing your goals, you become a desirable partner without the need for relentless pursuit. Abundance mentality. Shift your perspective and understand that no single woman is uniquely special. Maintaining an abundance mentality prevents falling into the trap of placing one woman on a pedestal. Recognize the vast pool of potential connections, freeing yourself from the limiting belief that one person defines your worth. The ultimate takeaway. Aspire to be the best version of yourself each day. Break free from societal norms, understand human psychology, and implement strategies that break down emotional barriers. Differentiate yourself by embracing a shadow of complexity in your personality. Remember, being truly virtuous is distinct from being harmless. If you've absorbed these insights, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you've gained valuable knowledge. For more intriguing topics, explore the recommended video on your screen. May your journey to becoming irresistible to women be both enlightening and rewarding, and thank you for watching.